Jai Guru.
I am Kabila.
I am Anushya.
We are from
grade 6. Sports quiz. How many grams of gold used in Olympic gold medal?
It is 6 gram.
Correct. Who invented basketball?
James Smith.
Wrong. James Naismith. Which sport uses the term love for score?
I think so. Tennis.
Correct. Which country has won most FIFA World Cups?
Brazil.
Correct. Kabaddi originated in which nation?
India.
Okay. In which sport would you perform a slam dunk?
Basketball.
Correct. Which country invented table tennis?
It is England.
Correct. How many players are there in standard baseball team?
9.
Okay. Who is the only captain to win all 3 ICC trophies?
It is MS Dhoni.
Correct. Who is the first Indian woman to win Olympic medals?
I think so. PV Sindhu.
Correct. Thank you.